ये आएगा ना. Thank you, Rahul. It's my pleasure to coordinate this third technical session, which is on the topic of the succession file, what every person must document. I request CA Namita Lakhotia to come on the dais, please. A brief introduction. I am presenting to have seat. A brief introduction of CA Namita Lakhotia. I am presenting to all of you. CA Namita Lakhotia is a partner in Love and Associates and co-founder of Dil Se Will, a platform that was built with a clear purpose to make organized inheritance and succession a household practice in India. With 20 years of practice in and the perspective of Goldman Sachs 10,000 women entrepreneur alumna, Namita brings both professional rigor and a reformer's spirit to this subject. I request CA Vikas Bathwal to give an uttariya to him. Her. Please put your hands together. Please present a memento also. Thank you. Thank you, Vikas. Now, ma'am, dais yours.
Same pen. This folder.
यही वाला है.
I will take the photo.
Good evening. We have heard two great speakers today, yes, and we have had a lot of knowledge today. किसका brain और ले सकता है अब? Anyone's brain willing to take more? So, okay. So now, even if the answer is no, I don't mind, because I am not here to teach you anything that you do not know. ठीक है? If I say, मैं यहाँ पर जामवंत बन के आई हूँ. Anyone knows the story of Jamwant and Hanuman? Right. तो आप जो भी मैं बोलूँगी ना, आप लोग मनी यही सोचेंगे. I know this. I have to do this. ये मुझे करना है, अभी करना है, ऐसे करना है. So I am here to remind you, because आपने सुबह से जो भी पढ़ा दिन भर, right? Is it vibrating? Yeah, okay. So सुबह से आपने जो भी पढ़ा, right? There's a lot to do. ठीक है? आप क्लास 12 पहुंच सकते हैं, आप PhD कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको वर्णमाला आनी चाहिए, अल्फ़ाबेट्स आने चाहिए, आपको सेंटेंस बनाना आना चाहिए, आपको इंग्लिश पढ़नी आनी चाहिए. There's so many things which you have to do before you get to that point, right? So I am here, you know all that. Don't we know the alphabets? We know everything, right? There is always someone who will remind you where to start. Okay? So I am here for a very short period with a very important note. Okay? Secondly, what am I here for? मेरा दो काम है यहाँ. एक तो मैं जामवंत बन के आई हूँ, मैं याद दिलाऊंगी, ठीक है? Second, I am here for giving you a homework. बहुत बचपन में होमवर्क मिला करता था, कुछ लोगों को तो नहीं मिला करता था, उस वक्त होमवर्क ही नहीं होता था. So if you have stopped taking homework, I am the person who's going to give you a weekend's homework here. This Saturday, Sunday, I will take a promise from you today that this Saturday, Sunday, there are few things which you will do. You will do. And it is not a promise to me alone, it's a promise to you, it is a promise to your family. And who will check the homework? You yourself. So you have to be conscious enough to do that. Cheating करके pass नहीं करना है. ठीक है? Okay. So what is a succession? I'll talk of very, very normal things. ठीक है? I will just tell you how to organize things. ठीक है? What is a succession file? आपकी एक family है. ठीक है? आप खुद हैं. So when the day you are not there, whether your family is able to access everything when you are not there. So that is a succession file. So how to get that file ready is what we will learn today. So this is a very scary thing. If you do not come home tonight, would your family find what they need? I am not talking of what they should get. अभी तक हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे थे? What they should get, right? Now what will I talk about is what they need. In the time of emergency, whether the mediclaim papers are there, accessible to your family, your DP account logins, in case they want to sell something, they need funds, FD maturity का schedule है क्या उनके पास, home loan का account number है क्या, suppose EMI टाइम से नहीं जा रहा है, किससे बात करनी है, क्या करना है, do they have those numbers? Next, there is a very uncomfortable truth, I think Raj also touched upon it, that there are unclaimed assets which are lying. ठीक है? Why are these unclaimed assets? We need to first understand this to understand how we can stop our assets from falling into this category after we are gone. The first thing is there are three people involved here. One is you, who is in the middle, the person who is making the investment, right? The second is the institution जिसके साथ आप investment कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? And on the other side is your family, जिसके लिए आप investment कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? आपने इंस्टीट्यूट से कॉन्वर्सेशन किया और आपने एक ट्रांजैक्शन किया एंड नाउ दैट ट्रांजैक्शन इज डन एंड यू हैव डन द इन्वेस्टमेंट. सडनली इफ यू आर नॉट देयर, डज द इंस्टीट्यूट नो किसको देना है? सो थैंक्स टू द रेगुलेशंस विच आर कमिंग, नॉमिनी इज बिकमिंग कंपल्सरी. सो इंस्टीट्यूट को हम क्या बताते हैं कि नॉमिनी कौन है, किसको देना है, ठीक है? नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट, आपका फैमिली. क्या आपने ये कॉन्वर्सेशन अपनी फैमिली के साथ किया है कि ये इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने किया है? डू दे हैव द रिकॉर्ड कि ये इन्वेस्टमेंट यहाँ पर किया हुआ है? तो व्हेन यू आर नॉट देयर, अगर बीच वाली जो कड़ी है अगर वो नहीं है, तो कैन दीज टू पीपल कम्युनिकेट? इफ वी वांट देम टू कम्युनिकेट, we have to make sure that we are feeding the right information to both the sides, to the institution as well as our family, right? Very, very small example. There is a rupee 40 lakh FD in a bank and the spouse had never even dealt with that bank. The kind of asset which can disappear. पता ही नहीं था. स्कैरी ना? आपने मेहनत की, सब कुछ किया, पर कुछ डिसअपियर हो गया. दैट इज स्कैरी. वी ऑल आर नाउ लिविंग न्यूक्लियर, मोस्ट ऑफ अस. क्या होता है, पहले चाचा को पता है, ताऊ को पता है, मामा को पता है, समवन और द अदर वुड कम अप विद पेपर्स, वुड हेल्प एंड गेट इट डन. आज के टाइम में या तो चाचा ताऊ नहीं है या उनसे बनती नहीं है, और अगर बनती है वो इतने दूर हैं, वो आके आपका काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू लिव इन अ रियल सिनेरियो. वी नो हाउ मच टाइम आर वी गिविंग टू अदर्स फैमिली कि कोई हमारी फैमिली को देगा, राइट? सो एंड व्हेन वी सी दैट ऐसा कुछ हुआ है किसी की फैमिली में, इट्स नॉट दैट कि वो फैमिली ने केयर नहीं किया, उस फैमिली ने कम्युनिकेट नहीं किया. So what is the crux here is communication. Okay, so why in this room such a baby topic in this room? As the saying says, the cobbler's children have no shoes. मतलब मोची के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनके पास जूते नहीं हैं. क्यों नहीं है? मोची हमेशा सोचता है पहले उनका बना दूँ फिर अपने बच्चों का बना दूंगा. राइट? सो दिस इज़ फॉर अस CAs. हम क्लाइंट्स का काम बहुत करते हैं एंड वी मेक श्योर कि उनका काम अच्छे से हो, पर कुछ अपने लिए सोचना भी ज़रूरी है. राइट? एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस सेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू मे फील दैट ये सेशन में ये सब मुझे पता है, पर एक्शनेबल आपने क्या किया है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है? द थिंग इज़, अगर आप करेंगे और आप बोलेंगे मैंने ये सब किया है, वुडंट द क्लाइंट लिसन मोर टू यू? ओके, अ विल इज़ नॉट अ सक्सेशन फाइल. आप बोलेंगे पहले कोई आया मुझे बोला कि विल बनाने से हो जाएगा. ठीक है? पर मैं बोल रही हूँ सिर्फ विल बनाने से नहीं होगा, एक सक्सेशन फाइल भी बनाना होगा. क्योंकि विल क्या बताता है, किसको क्या मिलेगा. राइट? बट द सक्सेशन फाइल एग्जैक्टली टेल्स वेयर टू फाइंड इट, हाउ टू गेट इट. राइट? A will is saying my wife is getting everything is useless if she does not know that there is a DP account, if she does not know कि FD में पैसे पड़े हैं. अगर ये सब नहीं पता है तो आपका will बनाया हुआ भी शायद वो काम न कर पाए. ओके, इस बारे में हम लोग ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इट हैज़ बीन डेल्ट विथ अर्लियर इन द डे दैट नॉमिनी इज़ नॉट अ लीगल हेयर. ठीक है? सो वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द लास्ट लाइन इन द स्लाइड विच सेज नॉमिनेशन डिसाइड्स हु रिसीव्स, नेवर हु फाइनली ओन्स. सो नॉमिनी एंड विल केप्ट इन सिंक. ये स्लाइड देने का मेरा रीज़न सिर्फ एक था कि आपको नॉमिनी एंड विल दोनों को सिंक में रखना है. ठीक है? दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो हाउ विल वी स्टार्ट? वी हैव 5 थिंग्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ. ओके, वी विल गो पिलर बाय पिलर. फर्स्ट, फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज. तो इसमें वो सारी मूवेबल जैसे बैंक हो गए, FDs, लॉकर्स, ये सब इनके रिकॉर्ड्स रखने हैं आपको. अकाउंट नंबर्स, इफ़ यू हैव पासवर्ड्स, इफ़ यू हैव डिजिटल पासवर्ड्स, एवरीथिंग शुड बी प्रॉपरली रिकॉर्डेड. लॉकर नंबर, द लॉकर की, वेयर इट इज़. आई एम श्योर अगर आपकी मदर या आपकी वाइफ इज़ हैंडलिंग द लॉकर, most of you will not even know where she's kept the locker key. पता भी नहीं होगा. तो आपको ये सब पता रखना है. With each other you have to communicate that effectively. Okay? Now बहुत पहले ना in 60s maybe there were physical certificates. So these certificates, after the companies have merged, they have been renamed, they have been taken over, and these certificates also get lost. Lost in the sense लोगों को पता नहीं होता, आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स को पता ही नहीं है कि आपने फिजिकल सर्टिफिकेट्स कहीं रख रखे हैं. And maybe they have not checked that almirah after you left. So that is why telling the family that these are physical certificates and these hold value is very very important. Okay, what about liabilities? EMI dates हो गए, debtors. Okay, liabilities when we speak of is what we are supposed to give, but very importantly I would speak of what we are supposed to get. क्योंकि क्रेडिटर्स तो आके बोल देते हैं. ठीक है ना? क्रेडिटर्स ऑलवेज सरफेस, ऑलवेज मुझे ये पैसा मिलना है, इसने मुझसे ये पैसे लिए थे. ठीक है? बट डेटर्स विल नेवर से कि इसने मुझे ये पैसे दिए थे. especially unrecorded debtors. You should have a way to communicate to your family कि इनसे पैसे मिलेंगे. Only then can your family claim it, right? Insurance. Insurance is a very important part of your wealth planning in today's time. Why? Because आप जब इंश्योरेंस करते हैं और वो इंश्योरेंस जब लाइफ इंश्योरेंस आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ एंड वेदर इट बी टर्म और लाइफ एंड वो इंश्योरेंस जब काम आता है उसमें गैप होता है. उस गैप में what happens is that your earning is also increasing, right? But many a times the insurance cover is not reviewed. We do not review how much insurance cover we have taken. So if our income is increasing, we should be taking a higher insurance cover, because insurance is supposed to replace you, in the sense, in the form of finance, right? So if you have a higher income, then you have to think of increasing your insurance amount also, okay? And the health insurance, there are a lot of fine lines which we need to go through, which we need to talk to our agents, like critical illness, and if there is any pre-existing disease, we should notify them. Another thing which is very important nowadays, since there are so many critical illness जिसके लिए लोग abroad जा रहे हैं, we should always have a international coverage. Many insurance, if you're flying abroad, they will not give you an insurance coverage. They will not give you an insurance coverage for the person who is attending to you there, जो आपके साथ जाएगा, right? And they will also not give an insurance coverage for the travel of such person. So ये सब include कराना है, तो we have to be talking to our agent in that manner. ये सब बोल कर करवाना चाहिए कि we need these things, so what is the best coverage that you can give us, ठीक है? Here in India, house is not usually covered under insurance. It's not in practice. So whatever be the superstructure, whether it's a single storied building, it's a multiple storied building, it should be covered. Secondly, उसके अंदर furniture है, it can be a fire insurance, it can be a burglary insurance, that you how much you want to shell out on that, how much is the value of the property and how much you want to shell out on an insurance will decide आपको क्या करना है. Insurance में एक बहुत important point है. Suppose I give you a scenario where a person falls ill, ठीक है, and dies after 3-4 months. Premium वही इंसान पे करता था, ठीक है, and 3 महीने जब वो बीमार पड़ा उसके बाद प्रीमियम ड्यू हुआ and वो प्रीमियम लैप्स कर गया, ठीक है, and after 3 months when the person is no more, all the hard earned premium जो आपने इतने साल दिए ये सोच कर कि वो मेरी फैमिली को काम आएगा, did it really get to the family at that point? No, it did not. And what was the reason? What I said in the beginning, communication. Communication does not mean कि सिर्फ verbal होना चाहिए. Communication means that it should be in many forms. So we will talk of those forms of communication also later. Property and legal documents. ठीक है, will we have talked a lot about will. So will is very, very important. It should be properly kept also. One thing which I would emphasize on is the power of attorney. Power of attorney is for a period when you are not able to operate but still alive. So it is an unforeseen situation which should not arise with anybody, but there's no guarantee that it will not arise with anybody. तो एक पावर ऑफ अटर्नी होनी चाहिए जो आप अपनी whomever you believe, मतलब अगर स्पाउस पे बिलीव है तो ऑफकोर्स स्पाउस पे होना चाहिए, स्पाउस को दीजिए, अगर नहीं है तो जिस पे बिलीव है उसको दीजिए, बट एक पावर ऑफ अटर्नी होनी चाहिए जो दूसरा इंसान ऑपरेट कर सके व्हेन यू आर नॉट एबल टू साइन एंड टेक योर फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस. Another thing about the property, the immovable properties, is that registration and mutation cycle should be complete. हम लोग कई बार प्रॉपर्टी की रजिस्ट्रेशन कंप्लीट करने से वी थिंक दैट इट इज़ डन. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर म्यूटेशन हो जाना चाहिए एंड टैक्स रिसीट्स आपके नाम पे आनी चाहिए. द म्यूटेशन साइकिल शुड बी कंप्लीट, इट शुड बी ऑन देयर रिकॉर्ड. So please keep in mind that only registration is not the thing. Yes? Okay. I said that mutation is very very important. Registration से transfer of property होती है लेकिन it is not complete because it is not recorded in the municipality records. Once mutation is complete, it is recorded in the municipality. ठीक है? The fourth pillar is your digital estate. We are filled with digital assets nowadays. ठीक है? Cryptocurrency, whoever is dealing with cryptocurrency knows that the seed phrase and the backup of private keys, very very important. It is not, I wouldn't say it is not prevalent right now in India. Many people are doing it. So in case you're doing it, please be very careful that you have your backup of your private key and you never lose your seed phrase. Because if you do so, we all know cryptocurrency is mathematical in nature. So if you lose this, it becomes mathematically inaccessible. Okay? Your email accounts and social accounts, you should record and you should have your passwords written and given to whoever is close to you and whoever you rely on or you want to give. I think so. Wait, I think now it should be fine. ये इसमें लग रहा था. I think it will be fine now. So email accounts and all. Okay, so email accounts and social accounts should also be recorded so that after you it can be accessed by the family because it is of great value. आजकल सारी OTPs and सारे passwords and one-time passwords and all informations come on emails and social accounts are also monetized. So it's very important that you have a record of it with your family members. Now the silent subscriptions, what are these? We subscribe to so many things daily. हम लोग Netflix, Spotify, इतना कुछ, इतने सारे apps, हम लोग कितने कुछ में ऐसे करते हैं ना, we give them auto renewal permission, right? If we don't have it on record कि क्या क्या auto renew हो रहा है और कब होगा, तो we are wasting money, right? It gets auto renewed every month, even if you have gone and you don't need it anymore. And it's getting auto renewed because your family doesn't know that it has to stop. The fifth pillar is how your family operates in an emergency. So we have to have some records very handy in the family. There are medical should be available in under 2 minutes. Do you think it is practical? In under 2 minutes medical is available. It is if you have the doctor's number, the hospital's number in record. आपके घर के पास जो भी हॉस्पिटल है उसका नंबर आपके पास होना चाहिए. एम्बुलेंस कैसे आ सकती है उसका नंबर होना चाहिए. विच डॉक्टर टू कॉल, जो अप्रोचेबल है और आप उनको कॉल कर सकते हैं तुरंत, वो होना चाहिए. इन टाइम ऑफ एमरजेंसी यू शुड नो कि आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स की ब्लड ग्रुप्स क्या है, so that they can get help as soon as they need it. एंड अगर ऑनगोइंग मेडिसिन आप अगर ऐसे स्टेट में किसी को ले जा रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल जो वो खुद आंसर नहीं कर सकते हैं, आपके पास अगर ऑनगोइंग प्रेस्क्रिप्शन नहीं है, दवाइयाँ क्या चल रही है, तो डॉक्टर ऑल्सो डजंट नो कि आप किस मेडिकेशन पे थे, वेदर दे विल बी एबल टू फॉलो अ पर्टिकुलर मेडिकल प्रोसीड्योर ऑन यू और नॉट. देन हाउस होल्ड कंटिन्यूटी, दिस में साउंड फनी बट इट्स नॉट फनी कि आपका गैस कैसे बुक होता है, एक दिन गैस नहीं रहेगा खाना नहीं बनेगा, right? सो मम्मी गैस बुक करती थी, मम्मी बीमार हो गई, तो सबको पता होना चाहिए, एक डायरेक्टरी बनाइए घर पे जिसमें गैस बुकिंग कहाँ पे कौन से नंबर पे होती है, उसका क्या प्रोसेस है, प्लीज़ राइट इट डाउन. This may sound very, very babyish, this may sound very simple, but when the need arises, it is important. It is not something जो तुरंत स्ट्राइक करता है इंसान को, लिखा रहेगा तो आराम से हो जाएगा. ठीक है? You should have, especially this is very important for children also, because अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं और वहाँ आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जिसके कारण टाइम लग जाता है आने में, at that point children should also know किसको फ़ोन करना है, कहाँ से क्या वो अवेलेबल करा सकते हैं. So all this is important. Your CA, so we मतलब in the sense हम लोग के रूम के लिए ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, but advisors, lawyers, इनका नंबर हैंडी होना चाहिए. Okay, a very touchy question. Who raises your child if both of you are gone? ये डर है ना, ये हर यंग पेरेंट के मन में होता है जिसके बच्चे अभी तक मेजर नहीं हुए हैं, राइट? बट कॉन्वर्सेशन वी डू नॉट डू अबाउट इट. वाई? बिकॉज वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू थिंक लाइक दैट कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. सो वॉट शुड वी डू अबाउट इट? वी शुड मेक अ विल, दैट इज़ राइट, but we should give a guardianship clause in it, ठीक है, wherein our children, we appoint guardians and we say that these people will take care of our children when we are not there, right? But very important is आपने जिसको अपॉइंट किया उसको बताइए, उनसे कन्वर्स कीजिए कि आर यू रेडी टू टेक अप दिस, दिस इज़ वॉट आई एम डूइंग, दिस इज़ वॉट आई एम राइटिंग इन माई विल. क्योंकि आप उनको एसेट नहीं दे रहे हो, आप उनको जिम्मेदारी दे रहे हो. इट शुड बी डिस्कस्ड. Okay, homework time. So how should we start? So we will have one workbook which should have 8 to 10 worksheets, and 1 or 2 worksheets per pillar would suffice, the pillars that I spoke about. And you can color code कि ये काम मेरा हो गया है, so that is green, color green कर दीजिए उसका. ये काम in process है, so उसको येलो कर दीजिए या एम्बर कर दीजिए. एंड देन दिस इज़ लाइक अ टोटल थिंग विच आई हैव नॉट डन, सो ये रेड करना है हमको. देयर शुड बी वन सिंगल फैमिली ईमेल जिसका पासवर्ड आपके पास होना चाहिए, आपके स्पाउस के पास होना चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो इट शुड बी विथ चिल्ड्रन अबव 14 years of age, because आजकल when the child is 14 already, they mostly know that what to do in an emergency, or they should be taught rather कि what to do in an emergency. So it's safe to give them access to this, but with a lot of counseling and understanding that when this should be used. Okay, you should always have dual backup. आप email पे भेज दिए, that is not sufficient. You should have a backup. Backup, one should be on cloud and the other should be in a hard disk. Whether you keep it at home or in office or in a locker is your outlook, but you should have it, and they all should be password protected. When we speak of passwords, passwords should be such that the family will remember but others cannot guess, right? So I keep forgetting the name of a very good OTT wherein Sushmita Sen was the actress. And she and her husband always shared a song which the husband had put as a password for all his financial things, right? So learning from that OTT, and suddenly after his death, after a month or so, she suddenly realizes कि अच्छा उस हार्ड डिस्क को खोलने के लिए शायद ये पासवर्ड ट्राई करती हूँ. उससे ये सीखने मिलता है कि पासवर्ड ऐसा होना चाहिए जो दिल के करीब हो. ठीक है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स के करीब होगा तो कोई भी खोल लेगा. ठीक है, गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम होगा तो बीवी को नहीं पता होगा. Yes, correct, thanks. Arya was the name, and there this happened. So that struck me that okay, absolutely. So that's what I'm saying. There's always something which the family always shares. which only the family members know about. So make sure the password is such जो family members को याद रखने में कोई मुसीबत ही ना हो, but others should not know. ठीक है? Okay. There is something called a dry run. What is a dry run? A dry run is creating a situation which does not exist. ठीक है? आप नहीं हैं, ये situation create करनी है. ठीक है? So 24 hours, you have to tell your family that 24 hours I'm not reachable. So you have to tell them कि आपको मेरा bank account access करना है, आपको मेरा DP account access करना है. You have to try and sell one share from there. You know, these things you have to tell your family that you do it. आप जाके एक बार बैंक लॉकर खोलिए. Yes, it's a mock drill. It's called a dry run. It's a mock drill. इससे क्या पता चलेगा? पहला तो ये पता चलेगा कि गैप कहाँ है, मतलब क्या क्या आपको करना है. तो टू डू लिस्ट आपकी रेडी हो जाएगी तुरंत. अगर आप ये मॉक ड्रिल कर लेते हैं, आपकी टू डू लिस्ट तुरंत रेडी हो जाएगी कि हमारा फैमिली ये करने में सक्षम नहीं है, और द फैमिली इज़ नॉट येट रेडी, राइट. एंड वी ऑलवेज थिंक माई फैमिली नोज. आज खाना खाते खाते मैंने बता दिया था ये FD किया हूँ, मैंने ये किया है. डज द वाइफ रिमेंबर दैट? डू द चिल्ड्रन रिमेंबर दैट? नो, दे डोंट. So you have to tell them, and this dry run will also tell you why I am talking about this succession file and why this becomes very very important. Okay, this is non-negotiable. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये छोटी बातें हैं कर लेंगे, तो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर ये बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपकी फैमिली की फाइनेंशियल ऑडिट होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू डू इट योर सेल्फ, ऑफ कोर्स. उसके लिए ऑडिटर नहीं चाहिए. सक्सेशन फाइल बनाना ज़रूरी है. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट tedious जॉब विच वी कीप. हम लोग के टू डू लिस्ट में लास्ट रहता है वो. इट इज़ नेवर द फर्स्ट. नॉमिनी एंड विल अलाइनमेंट, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंश्योरेंस रिव्यू करना अपने इंश्योरेंस को, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Who needs it most? Anyone whose personal and firm finances can merge. Single earner households, nuclear families, HUFs, NRI clients with Indian assets, they also need it. And why you need it, we are very much aware that when COVID hit, uske baad, we have seen a lot of deaths happening around us, and it's not temporary. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि कोविड के बाद वो बंद हो गया साल 2 साल में. इट्स स्टिल हैपनिंग. सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड एक्सेप्ट दिस कि दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट. होमवर्क इस वीक आपको क्या क्या करना है. इफ़ यू कोऑपरेट विथ मी, प्लीज़ टेक आउट योर फोन्स ऑन दिस संडे. प्लीज़ ब्लॉक एनी 2 hours विच यू थिंक इज़ फिजिबल एंड राइट देयर फैमिली फाइनेंस, so that it comes to your Google Calendar. Family finance वो जब आएगा as a reminder, तो you will know कि आज मुझे ये लेकर बैठना है. नहीं तो यहाँ से निकल कर you will again start into 10 different things and not do this. ठीक है. Start your own file tonight. At least एक Excel sheet आपकी डेस्कटॉप पे तो डाल ही दीजिए, जो कभी कभी दिखेगा कि अच्छा ये तो करना था, एक्सेल शीट है. ठीक है. और एक ईमेल आईडी बना दीजिए. ये 2 काम तो आज रात को ही बैठ के कर लीजिए. ठीक है. अनदर थिंग विच यू कैन डू इज, एक कोई भी बंदा ऐसा याद कीजिए जिसको आपको लगता है इसकी ज़रूरत है, और उससे इसके बारे में बात कीजिए. यू बोथ कैन बी बडीज़ एंड encourage each other to do this very soon. ओके. आप जब ये करने बैठेंगे तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ यू बिल्ड योर चेकलिस्ट कि हमको क्या क्या करना है. दैट वी आर वेरी गुड एट CAs. As CAs, we are very good at making checklists and getting our work done. So if we get to do this, we can do this easily. Okay. So at the end, of course, wealth is a lot, but getting to access wealth, with clarity and with a lot of love, without fights, without having any confusions is equally important. That is your amanat. That is what you give to your family. That's it. But before closing, I would want to show you one small video. In this video, I will request you all, आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को इमेजिन कीजिएगा, क्योंकि आप तो खुद इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आपको सब कुछ पता है. आप फैमिली मेम्बर्स को इमेजिन कीजिए और उस समय ये फील कीजिए कि वो कहाँ खड़े हैं. एंड देन मे बी टुनाइट वी विल हैव सम पीपल मेकिंग द एक्सेल शीट एंड मेकिंग द ईमेल IDs एंड संडे को कुछ शायद करें. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल वीडियो एंड वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वीडियो.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much.
Please hold this. Wait.
Let's start it right.
Yeah, I'll just stop the video once. आप उसको एक बार पकड़ के रख सकते हैं क्या? Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming to today.
Excellent.
Hello everyone. For coming to
This is happening again and again.
like start your line. Now I'm gonna ask. If your answer is a yes, step forward. If it's a no, please step back. Here. Did you learn how to write? Just 10. Did you learn music in school? Did you take it? And no, video games are not a sport, even if it has the word game in it. Your clothes while still in school? Take a step forward. If not, take a step. You can make tea or breakfast, not just for yourselves. Please step forward. If not, take a step back.
At the beginning, I was still going forward and backward. Questions like, it was funny to see the cooking question. There were a lot of men who went ahead and then there were women who were going behind.
Do you usually make all the household bill payments yourself? Do you know the circle rate in your area? Do you know the price of gold today? Do you know the exact breakup of your salary?
As the questions unfolded, the stark difference came out visibly.
Do you know the details of the financial documents you're asked to sign? Have you bought a vehicle in your own name without consulting anybody? Have you bought insurance policies unassisted? Do you watch or follow the budget?
Like you think you're doing okay, but then you're like, okay, these are kind of important things that I don't look at.
Do you manage your own finances and earnings unassisted? Do you know how to invest in mutual funds? Do you know the difference between a mutual fund and an SIP? Do you make the investments for your family members or your spouse? Do you file your own income tax return? Now everyone who's in front, could you please turn around and look behind you? Initially when you guys started moving, there wasn't such a big gap. My question is, when did this gap start to occur?
The minute the questions became about managing money, the gap between men and women became very clear and evident.
Women handling certain responsibilities regarding their own life, which were always passed on to someone else in the family or the man.
There was a slight unfairness I realized at that time, but at that point it seemed normal. I was upset. I wanted to be at the front of the line. Saying, why don't I know this? Why am I not confident enough to say yes, I am able to understand this? It was quite an eye-opener for me because I always depended on the men of the family to take care of my investments and plan my future.
I felt that obviously men are more into it than women, so eventually I didn't expect the gap to be there.
the years growing up. You know, there were certain very traditionally masculine tropes that were assigned for him, and certain traditionally feminine tropes that are assigned for me.
For women, it's practically debarred to learn to know and to focus on money.
I wish I had known from the beginning of my childhood and like kind of thought about that I would be doing so much better.
Just actionable measures is what we want really.
Credits to Paytm. Thank you very much for this beautiful video. Take it back in mind for your spouses, your daughters, your daughter-in-laws, your sisters, maybe even others in the family. And start today. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It is a wonderful session. It is my immense pleasure to give vote of thanks. I, on behalf of PIP CACP Study Circle, would like to give heartily vote of thanks to our esteemed speaker, CA Namita Lakhotia. I think it was a great interactive session, and everyone must have benefited out of it. Thank you. Dinner is at 3rd floor. Please be with dinner. Thank you.
हम सर देखो आपको जाना चाहिए। हाँ एक सेकंड